In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix reference to memory could not be read. There are a few different methods to fix this issue, so if the first one didn't fix it, please make sure that you do every single stage. First thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar and type in CMD and then right-click Command Prompt and click Run as Administrator. Here you want to type SFC /scan now and then press enter. As you can see here, depending on how many files you have on your computer, this may be a fast process or it may take a little while, so just wait for it to complete. Now that the verification has been completed, go ahead and see if that's fixed your issue. If that hasn't fixed it, we can move on to step 2. So head back down to the search bar and type in services. This window now open, scroll down until you get to game input. Services. There should be 2 identical named services here, but they do serve different purposes. All we want to do is go to the first one, right click, and then click properties. And then rather than manual, click disable, and then click apply. And then with the second one, right click, click properties, click disable, and then click apply. Lastly, if that still didn't work, head on down to the search bar again and type in performance of, and then you'll see adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Just click that. Here you want to click the advanced tab. And then if it's on background services, head on to programs. And then for virtual memory, click the change button. Once here, disable automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And then all we need to do is click this custom size button here and then input the initial size, which we will take from the recommended down here. So for me, it is 4980, and then for the maximum size, you take the currently allocated number. So if your currently allocated number is below the recommended, feel free to ignore that and just do the recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.